Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It is Tuesday, November 3rd. I'm just going to go over the markets for you. It was a turnaround Tuesday in the grain market. You saw higher trade, even though beans really fought pressure all day long. You were able to close in the green, and wheat led the way higher. This is just a confirmation that wheat continues to be in that range trade. Between that top and bottom, it finds it, and it's a very narrow range trade, and it just seems like it really wants to stick there. You do have some news that could push it out of there, possibly to the top side. Ukraine is severely dry right now. It looks like they'll be dry for the next couple months, and they're going to look at a little bit of some heat coming forward in those extended forecasts. Now, those are extended forecasts, so they can change, but for the most part, it looks like they're going to run into a little bit of problems, and they came out here saying you could expect about a 20% decrease in their wheat. So you're starting to have that ball rolling on some stories. You knew that this weather pattern worldwide was not friendly towards wheat production. It could cause some problems. This is the first we really saw to materialize, and so you did take that on the markets, and they wanted to trade a little bit higher, bringing corn up with them too. Corn's really been a follower this whole entire time. It doesn't have any news out there. Soybeans were higher to 3 to 4 cents, but fought pressure all day long and closed up only a cent or two. Meat markets were all lower today. You didn't have any bids out there, and it'll be really interesting to see if they open up this week tomorrow with some bids and what they're going to be at, as a lot of people are really waiting to see that and then dictate how futures trade off of those cash bids. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot either today. For the most part, the news is pretty much limited. You did actually get a little bit of information out of expectations for next week's crop report. Informa did come in here and say that they thought that you could see corn bushel per acre about 2 bushel per acre higher, and then soybeans about a 1/2 bushel per acre higher. And that would drastically change those carryout levels for corn for the most part. And you actually had a SC Stone come in here and also do that too, not to that degree, but people are starting to be a little bit more friendly on a basis or a bushel increase, and so that'll be interesting to see what comes out of the November's report. That is a week from now, so we have a little bit of time to trade that. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.